Hello everyone, in this video we will solve this interesting Japanese math Olympiad question. This question is x over x plus 1 whole square plus x over x minus 1 whole square is equal to 12, and we will find out what is the value of x in this math Olympiad question. So first of all, we will add this term is equal to a, and here is squared, so it will be a square, plus, and we'll add again this term, it will be b, and here is square, so it will be square is equal to 12. Then according to algebra rules, I can say a square plus b square, it will be a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to 12. Then remember that a is equal to x over x plus 1, so I can easily it will be x over x plus 1 plus, and b is equal to x over x minus 1 bracket power is 2, this 2 minus 2 times a is x over x plus 1 times b is x over x minus 1 is equal to 12. Then I can say easily here is least common value is x plus 1 times x minus 1, and this divide this, here is x minus 1, so x times x minus 1 plus this plus, and this divide this, it will be x plus 1, so this x times x plus 1 bracket this power is 2 minus, and in this case I can say easily x times x, it will be x squared, so it will be 2x squared. Because of that, here is 2 and here is x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 12. Then this equation becomes, I can see easily here is, look, x plus 1 and x minus 1, according to rules I can say a plus b, a minus b, it will be a square minus b squared, so 1 squared will be 1, and in this case I can say this time this, it will be x squared minus this time this, it will be x plus this time this, it will be x squared, this time this, it will be plus x, and bracket power is 2 minus, and in this case I can see it will be 2x squared, and it will be x squared minus 1 is equal to 12. Then this equation becomes, look, this x is cancelled, and in this case I can say x squared plus x squared, it will be 2x squared over, and here is x squared minus 1 bracket power is this 2 minus, and in this case here is 2x squared, x squared minus 1 is equal to 12. At this moment, look, here is 2x squared over x squared minus 1, and here is 2x squared over x squared minus 1. So we'll let, look, let 2x squared over x squared minus 1 is equal to u. So I can say easily at this moment it will be u, so here is squared, so I can say easily it will be u squared minus u is equal to 12. Then if I subtract both sides 12, so I can see it will be u squared minus u minus 12 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation, and if I do middle factor in this equation, this time I can say it will be u squared minus 4u minus minus, it will be plus 3u minus 12 is equal to 0. I just do middle factor in this equation, and at this moment I can say easily here is u is common, so u squared divided u, it will be u minus 4u divided u, it will be 4 plus, and here is 3 is common, so it will be u minus 4 12 divided 3, it will be 4. This is minus, this is plus, plus minus, it will be minus, is equal to 0. Then again I can say here is u minus 4 is common, so this divide this, it will be u, plus this divide this, it will be 3, is equal to 0. So at this moment we are finding out here is two cases. So our first term is equal to u minus 4 is equal to 0, and other case u plus 3 is equal to 0. So at this moment I can see easily here is u is equal to 4 and here is u is equal to minus 3. So remember that our u, it will be 2x squared over x squared minus 1. So I can see easily, look, we are finding out u is equal to 4, u is equal to minus 3. So u is equal to 4. So u, it will be 2x squared over x squared minus 1 is equal to 4. Then I can see easily, if I multiply this and this, here is 1, so I can see it will be 4x squared minus 4 is equal to 2x squared. Then this equation, it will be, look, 4x squared and 2x squared, it will be 2x squared. Because of that, here is plus 2x squared. If I subtract, it will be 2x squared is equal to 4. Let's move on, minus 4 this side, it will be positive 4. Then if I divide both sides 2, so I can see easily here is x squared is equal to 2. Because of that, 2 cancel and 4 divided 2, it will be 2. Then if I use both sides square root, so we'll find out here is x is equal to plus minus square root 2. So this is the value of x in this math Olympiad question. And again, our other case, u is equal to minus 3. So in this case, u is equal to minus 3. So look, u, it will be 2x squared over x squared minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Then if I multiply both values, this time I can see easily, it will be 2x squared is equal to minus 3x squared plus 3. Because of that, look, here is minus 3, so minus plus, it will be minus, minus minus, it will be plus. 3 times 1, it will be 3. So in this case, I can say 2x squared minus 3x squared, it will be 5x squared is equal to 3. Then I can say easily, if I divide both sides by 5, so 5 cancel, we are find out here is x squared is equal to 3 over 5. Then if I use both sides square root, we are find out here is x is equal to plus minus square root 3 over square root 5. So this is our others answer. So our answer is x is equal to plus minus square root 2, and others answer x is equal to plus minus square root 3 over square root 5. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Take care. Goodbye.